This set of mutations clearly defines a disease signature. It would make a great molecular diagnostic test. We could make a multiplex test kit for targeted next-generation sequencing. Oh, but how can I scale up all these sequencing adapters? If cross-contamination is too high, it will render the test invalid.
Merck can do it.
Huh?
Merck's custom next-gen sequencing oligos are the perfect solution for manufacturing universal and index adapters with low cross-contamination. We have very stringent quality standards with ISO certifications for the production of commercial diagnostic kits.
Okay. But I need these to work with our customers' specific brands of sequencers.
No problem. Our next-gen sequencing oligos are compatible with all major NGS platforms. Go to sigmaaldrich.com/nextgenoligos to fill out an online request form. Our team will then work with you to determine yield, pricing, and delivery timeline. It's that easy.